This is the kind of e-bike most people should actually be buying, but hardly anyone reviews properly. This is the META26 X2.0. You're watching CarTell TV, I'm Simone, and this is a mid-price 26-inch city-style e-bike from Eunorau, priced at 1,869 Australian dollars. Quick transparency up front, Eunorau did send us the bike, but as always, the opinions are our own. What stands out straight away is how natural this bike feels to ride. It uses a torque sensor, which means the harder you pedal, the more assistance you get. It doesn't feel like an on-off switch or a scooter, it actually rides like a normal bike, just with less effort. In traffic and on bike paths, that makes a big difference. Pulling away from lights feels smooth, predictable and easy. It's powered by a 250-watt rear hub motor, which might not sound exciting on paper, but around town, it's exactly what you want. It's quiet, legal, and well matched to the bike. Up front, you've got suspension that takes the edge off bumps, potholes, and rough surfaces. You don't feel every crack in the road, which matters if you're riding every day rather than just cruising on weekends. Now, getting onto it is super easy. It's got this V-shaped center column, which really makes it more ladylike. If I were wearing a dress, I could just easily jump onto it because of this column. I also want to mention that it's one of the comfiest seats I've sat on an e-bike. Other key features include integrated front and rear lights powered off the main battery, including a brake-activated tail light, so you don't have to think about charging separate lights, which is important. Mudguards are standard, and the adjustable stem means that you can dial in a comfortable riding position rather than being locked into one setup. The battery is a 36-volt, 15-amp-hour unit with a claimed range of up to 80 kilometres. Real-world range will depend on how you ride, but for commuting and daily use, it's more than enough for most people. Top speed is capped at 25 kilometres per hour, as it should be, and braking is handled by hydraulic disc brakes with motor cutoff. There is a way to unlock it. This 26-inch version weighs around 30 kilos. Now, you notice that when lifting it, but it's obviously not noticeable when riding. If anything, it adds to the feeling of stability and being planted rather than feeling too heavy. Now, because it's a one-piece frame, it actually feels a bit less flimsy than some of those foldable frames can feel. So who is this e-bike actually for? It's ideal for commuters, casual riders, first-time e-bike buyers, and anyone who wants comfort and practicality over speed or extreme performance. Now, who is it not for? Well, if you want the fastest e-bike possible or you're carrying it upstairs every day, this probably isn't the right choice. And if you're chasing hardcore off-road riding, this isn't built for that either. The META26 X2.0 isn't trying to be extreme. It's just comfortable, practical, and easy to live with. And for an everyday e-bike under $2,000, that makes it a very easy one to recommend. We've got more e-bike reviews coming, and they won't all be this sensible. Now, thank you very much for watching. You'll see me in my next review.